on the floor is more fun, huh? Yeah? Looks better on the floor than in your mouth? Oh, it looks good in the mouth too. You having a good time? Oh, goodness. Who would have thought? Pretty busy over there. Hey, busy girl. Busy girl. You're a silly girl. Oh. I didn't know that's what you were doing. About done? Are you about done? You have such a pretty tray. All right. Okay. About done? Or do you want to eat some, maybe? Maybe you want to eat some? No, just play. Just play? Uh-huh. Well, you're the boss. You are the boss. You silly girl. You say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Yep, there you go. Bye-bye. That's right. Good girl. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.